Well, refurbishment of a house here in progress. Garden all cultivated here. Well, rubbish to go here. Not a lot of money was spent on the house probably in 30 years. Extension going on here. In progress. Got the Worcester boiler, no doubt. Well, or shall I say no less. It's like the older one. Analog there. Kettle all ready for a cup of tea or coffee in the morning. Works in progress. After the house was purchased a few months ago. Quite a large garden here. Nice plot. If anybody spends any time in it. Sheds, a lot of wood that's been disposed of, probably a big bonfire. Dilapidated shed there.